morning, everyone. We are very happy to welcome all of you to our first Grama Sabha meeting of our village, Nagalapuram, going to be started after the election held on 10/12/2023. I'm very glad to introduce our newly elected Sarpanch and the Panch elected by you during the election. I'm very happy to welcome our Secretary Ashmita, Assistant Secretary Devasena, and we have our new Sarpanch Sri Lakshya, and Ishan, the Panch of Ward Padur, Tamilarsu, the Panch of Vembakam, Jessica, the Panch of Krishnavaram, Akshya, the Panch of Karni, Tanshashi, the Panch of Sivapuram. They are going to guide and help us for the next 5 years. We can discuss our issues here and they will help us to overcome the issues. And also, I'm very happy to welcome the people of our village, Nagalapuram. They are going to discuss about their issues. So let us see the happenings of the Gram Sabha meeting.
Good morning to all the people in the Gram Sabha. I am the Sarpanch of the village. The last meeting complaints are very clear. I think you people are very good in what we have been applied for the issues. I am still hearing many complaints about many issues. So please come with all your issues and ideas that can be discussed here. I request our secretary ma'am to start the meeting. In the last meeting, it was decided to arrange separate places for the cattle to drink water. Panchayat land has been given for this purpose. We also took decision to renovate our village government higher secondary school. The renovation will start by the end of this month. Our assistant secretary will give the extra details about the fund we got for the renovation of the school.
With the complaint got from the village people, we gave petition to the government to renovate our government higher secondary school. The government has allotted 35 lakhs for the renovation of the school and the work will start by the end of this month. Is anybody having doubts regarding this? You can ask now. Okay, if you are having any other issues, you can tell now. Sarpanch, in our village, the healthcare facilities need improvement. Extra facilities should be done in our primary health center. We need more medical assistance in the village.
I completely agree. As the village doctor, I have been struggling to manage alone. We need more resources and facilities to make our primary health center as a useful one for all the problems our people are facing. We should give the multivitamin tablets for all the malnourished children in our village, as the newborn babies and pregnant ladies are more in number in our village. We need to give more tablets to them. By counseling, we need to make them aware of the complications occur if they do not follow the medication. First of all, we have to thank our government for providing the required tablets till date. Secretary ma'am, please contact the health department to arrange the medicines required for the pregnant ladies and newborns, and also take steps to appoint the extra medical professionals in our primary health center. Assistant Secretary ma'am, take the steps to resolve this problem.
Sure, ma'am. We will immediately take the suggestion to the health department and make the arrangement as soon as possible.
Okay, ma'am. Any other issues? Sir, I am doing farming in our village. Our agriculture practices need modernization. We require assistance to improve our crops and fields.
Yes, sir. Due to the failure of monsoon in this year, the yield from our land is very low. We are in a need to find the alternative to improve our crop yield. Otherwise, we are not able to feed our family.
Sure. Sarpanch sir, we should take immediate action regarding this because farming is our major occupation. Most of the people are doing agriculture in our village. So we should take immediate action to get water from the Periyar main canal. Not only that, sir. In night time, the pigs want their crop feed. Last weekend completely spoiled a diagram that is shown in my feed. Most of the villagers are affected like this. So please arrange a financial assistance. Okay, so give a written statement about the problems that you have faced in the earlier days. Okay, sir.
Secretary ma'am, get the details from them and submit the details as soon as possible. Okay, sir. First, I will take the details about their expenditure and loss occur due to the destruction of crop field by the pigs. And after that, we can discuss about the compensation amount for them. Any other issues?
My name is Daniel Lakshmi. I am working as the headmaster in the school. In the last few months, few children are in continuous absence list. So, I request you to take the decision to find the reason for their absence. I am having the name list of the students with their family details. Give me the detail, ma'am.
We are very happy to have you here. You are carrying a very good work in a successful way till date. Your inquiry, your report of your school will be analyzed and rectified in the upcoming weeks.
Excuse me, sir. One more question, sir. My name is Reshmi. I am the teacher of our village. Can you facilitate the children with the smart board technique of learning to encourage their knowledge in the present world?
Good suggestion, ma'am. Already our government also planning for a lot of strategies to make our classroom into smart classroom.
Secretary ma'am, can you proceed this? Sure, sir. We can contact block education officer with a man. We will arrange a smart board facilities in our classrooms.
I'm Ilekya. I'm working as the teacher of the village. The ratio of our teacher students in our school is lowered. As per RT Act, pupil-teachers ratio should be 30:1. But in our school, it's 50:1. So please take necessary action to appoint one more teacher for the welfare of our students. Sure, ma'am. We will immediately send a request to District Education Office. And as per the guidance, we will take the action.
Surely, I'm happy as the teachers, you are doing a lot of beneficial work for the welfare of the students. Surely, we need your participation in all the Gram Panchayat meetings.
Sure, ma'am. It's our duty, ma'am. Thank you.
Sir, in our village, many educated young people are there. Most of them not having proper job. My neighbor also holds a PG degree, but he is working as a security for a low wage. Could you suggest any idea for them?
Secretary ma'am, can you give the details about the programs organized by the government or private organizations for the unemployed youth?
Sir, our government is organizing the capacity development programs for the unemployed youth so they can equip themselves with employable skills and transform themselves as job providers instead of job seekers.
Sure, sir. Surely we will inform about the capacity development programs to our youth. Thank you for information, sir. I will also inform this to my son. There is a frequent power cut in our village. This is create lot of problem during the night. For our children, the exam are also going on. Please take necessary action.
Can we arrange some generators?
No, it's very difficult. We cannot provide it for the whole village. We can try to install a solar panel that will not cost a lot. That's a good idea. Secretary ma'am, please give me a quotation about the installation cost of the solar panels and let me know as soon as possible. Okay, sir. In our area, most of the street lights are not working.
We will immediately inform the electricity board to fix the new street lights.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Kaushik Shalva. I am from Ward Shivapuram. In our village, road accidents are happening frequently. Yesterday also one person got injured badly admitted in the hospital. The news came today's newspaper also. So please take necessary steps to repair the road as soon as possible, sir.
Okay, we will write to the subdivisional officer of roads department and take the immediate actions. I am Phoebe. Also in our village, the stagnating water is our major problem. We are not having proper drainage system. Due to this, people are suffering from many diseases such as skin infection, musculoskeletal diseases and gastrointestinal damages.
I am Rohit Rajna. Yes, sir, the rainy season is also coming near. If the rainwater is mixed with the drainage water, we cannot live in a house. It creates many diseases.
We will consult our civil engineer and take the measures to provide the drainage system.
Sir, most of the buses are not stop in a village. So it is difficult for us to take the vegetables to the nearby village market.
Yes, sir. My son is also studying in the nearby village. In the morning time, most of the buses are not stop in the bus stop. Mostly my son is going to the school in the footboard of any private bus. That's a very big stress for me.
I am also working in the nearby school only. Most of the time I am hurrying the auto only to reach the school.
What can we do for the secretary, ma'am?
Today itself, we can contact the branch manager of the Transport Corporation and make the arrangement for stopping of the buses, and also we can insist more buses in the morning school times. Yes, good. Do the steps to contact the branch manager.
Okay, sir. I will do the arrangement, sir.
Yes, he is right. In a village, Nardwar is having motorcycle and lot of land, but his name is BPL. So, please take necessary action to revise BPL list.
Okay, we will check and tell you the remedial measures.
I am a farmer. My son is preparing for IAS exam. For that, he needs to learn a lot of books. But I don't have that much money to buy the books. Daily, he is traveling to the city library to read the books. It will be very difficult. So, if we set up a library in our village, it will be very useful. Not only for my son, for all the other students who are preparing for competitive exams. My name is Sai Prashad. I also like to read books. But in this old age, I am unable to go any other places for reading books. If we are having library in our village, it will be very helpful for us. Sure, sir. We will take an initiative library to set up a library in our area. For that, we can use the vacant buildings in the Panchayat land as an initiative. I will give 200 books as donation.
I will give 300 books as donation.
Nice idea. We will get books and money as the book donation from our village and NGOs.
I am having more than 200 books in my house. I will give all my books to our library as donation.
I am also having lot of books with me. I am very happy to give the books to our new library. Okay, we will take immediate action to inaugurate this. We should conduct this Grama Sabha meeting frequently. Then only we can discuss this type of development program for our village.
In the same way, we have to check whether the social welfare schemes are reaching the people or not.
Sure, sir, this is a very good place to discuss the development of the village. Do you have any other issues? No, sir. We are very happy with this meeting. I think we have raised all the issues that we have faced. Thank you for all the council members for lending your ears towards our problem.
Thank you, sir. So we are concluding the meeting here. All the problems today will discussed will be addressed and the solution will be provided soon. I thank our secretary, assistant secretary and the Gram Panchayat, the people who are attending the meeting. Thank you.